Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos. Just want to share some of my latest purchases from a couple weeks ago, I guess, and some of the stuff I found at the Autorama when I went there Saturday. You've probably seen my pictures up already of it, and thanks for watching it. And let me get to the what I found. First, I'd like to give a shout out to Auto Models LLC. And this place, they are online guys. If I think they have like if you're buying from another state or you come from another state to buy kits there, you don't have to pay no sales tax. So this is Auto Models LLC. I'm not sponsored by them, but I plan on making a road trip to them when I get around to it. So I just got to go there between Monday and Friday. And lucky for me, my days off are Monday and Tuesday. But otherwise than that, guys, let's get on to what I bought recently, I guess you could say, off eBay and some some, I don't know, Walmart finds, let's just call them, and Ollie's finds. So here's a eBay find right here. It's a 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach, still in the plastic. This is the 1991 edition of this car. So, and this is still in the package, still in the plastic. So I am planning on building it, guys. So I ain't gonna keep it on there. And I dedicate this video to Matt at Model Car Videos. I know he had an issue with keeping the plastic on his kits. And with me, it's like if the plastic's on there, it's just because I forgot I had it and I just stuffed it away. So that's the first one. Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary by Monogram in 1/24 scale. All right. And we have a Monogram Ferrari 308 GTB molded in red too. It's a very cool kit from 1980. It's a very simple curbside kit, but very cool car. Goes in my Ferrari collection. I should do a video about my Ferraris I have. So this is add to that collection. I have another rear mid-engined Ferrari. So got a Ollie's find right here. I found recently a while back. The Stingray dragster. Super long, super strong. Cool kit. It was at Ollie's, $12.99. Very cool kit. And this is the same chassis they put under the Model T based dragster. So if you ever get that kit, you know it's the same chassis and it looks like a pretty easy one. And over at Walmart, I found me a 79 Nova when they had model kits there. I never did a video on this one, but I thought I would pick up another one since my dad has 78 Nova. And one of these are going to get built like his Nova. I want to do another one. See if I can do it better than what I did before. And here's one I bought recently also. 69 Ford Galaxy by AMT. This is a very cool car. I kind of like the big full-size cars also, guys. Muscle cars, full-size cars, exotics, a little bit of everything. Now to get on to the Autorama kits I found at the Autorama. There's quite a few. One you're not going to see because I gave it to my brother. But I'll show you some of the kits I found. Found the Monogram 30 Ford Early Iron Series. And I just got done looking on eBay how much this kit's going for. I've seen some for $40, some for $50. And they're currently on bid there. If you guys want to try getting one, I would suggest get on there soon. Because it is a cool kit, molded in color, very easy. And I'm Pretty sure Matt at Model Car Videos needs one of these for his collection if he ever gets one. So I would suggest you get one of these. And this is actually, I'll show you guys. This is almost mint shape right here. Has all the parts in the bags. Only thing that was put into a sandwich bag was the decals and the glass. So, but it's all there. And I'll do an unboxing on that some other time. So, with all the different kits I got recently, guys, I could probably do an unboxing, a kit unboxing for the next 2 weeks. This is another one I found for 10. Same vendor as the Model A 34 Ford Touring. This is the T-Touring right here, molded in blue. And it's the same story like the other one. It's not even touched, really. And only thing it was really missing was the rear window for the top. But, you know, that could be made. So this is a cool kit right here, molded in blue, too. This has that unique Jaguar chassis with that Hot Rod 80 style 289 V8 in it and all that. So very, very cool car. And I prefer my Hot Rods with Ford V8s. I will make an exception if it's an older kit with a Chevy engine. So, and I seen this one on Facebook before I went to the show, and I liked it so much I had to pick me up one. I want to get another one because I want to find a utility bed or a tow truck bed for it. Because I want to try doing the tow truck from Smoking the Bandit Part 3, where Buford's car gets towed. So I want to try building the tow truck from this, because it's this kind of cab on it. So I just got to find that the wrecker bed for it. So that's that one. Then I found one of my Grail kits. My hard one to find type kits is 69 Dodge Charger. Only thing missing is the decals, which is, it's not really a big thing for me because I could always use other decals. And, but, I'm not going to do a general Lee out of it. But I'm going to build it some cool way. Because I have about 3 general Lees right now. So, but I'm going to do something cool out of it. So I did cover Mopar here. As you can see, there's one Mopar. Here's another Mopar. I bought this one for parts for the other one if it didn't have the glass, but I found out the other one has the glass in it. So this is the Dom's 70 Dodge Charger, which I might do a General Lee out of this one. So that'll look kind of cool as a General Lee. Mess with the Fast and Furious people. So I've been watching a lot of the one Japanese YouTuber I like, or I think Oriental or Japanese, one of the two, but he builds a lot of the Tamiya cars and all that, and I think he built one of these, and it's a pretty cool kit. I mean, it's simple, but it's a French car made by a Japanese company, so, I got to go worldwide here, go global with your model kits and your interests, so I had to get the Renault 5 Turbo, which this kit was only, let me see, it was marked to 14. It was actually 19, but they took the tax off for me, so that was a good deal. But that's a cool kit right there too. And then out of the, I know everybody's been talking about these Stranger Things kits, Netflix. Guys, how I like my vans and Volkswagens. So this kind of combines both of them. But I'm thinking of doing like a mystery machine out of this. I think it'll look cool. Kind of like a What's New Scooby-Doo kind of mystery machine. Like a green tint windows on the back and a blue and green paint scheme on it and stuff like that. So I think it'll look cool as a mystery machine. Tell me what you think, guys, in the comments. I mean, I can always get another one, do like the box, but, I'm not really a box art builder. But I do like this van, and I'm glad they brought it back. I had the camper version of it, the Westphalia. So, and just want to thank you guys for watching. And that is, Guys, I am a plastic model addicted to plastic models, so I admit it. And that's adds to my stash right there. So I hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.